Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet very useful battery level indicator. This little project will help you check the charge of your batteries using just a few common electronic components. First, I have a small piece of copper wire. This will act as the base for our connections. I'll apply a small amount of solder in 4 different points, equally spaced apart from each other. These points will serve as connection spots for the resistors. Next, I'll carefully take 4 220 ohm resistors, which are going to play a very important role in controlling the current that flows to each LED, ensuring they don't burn out. I'll align each resistor with the solder points I made earlier on the copper wire, keeping them equally spaced so the circuit looks clean and professional. After fixing them, I'll carefully cut off the extra pins of the resistors to keep the circuit clean and tidy. This not only makes the project look better, but also avoids short circuits. Once that's done, I'll apply a little more solder to the free pins of the resistors so they're ready for the next step. Now let's move to the LEDs. This is a green LED, which I'll use to represent a fully charged battery. I'll bend its pins at 90 degrees and trim down the negative pin to make it shorter. I'll repeat the same process for 2 red LEDs and 1 yellow LED. These LEDs will represent different battery levels: red for low, yellow for medium, and green for full. This way we can easily understand the battery's condition at a glance. I'll apply a little solder on the short pins of all 4 LEDs. Then I'll carefully solder the short pins of each LED with the free pins of the resistors. This step is really important because it forms the actual connection between the LEDs and the resistors, allowing current to flow safely without damaging the LEDs. Next, I'll cut down the positive pins of all 4 LEDs to make them the same short length. Then I'll apply solder on these positive pins so they are connected neatly together. To control the current between LEDs, I'll use an N14007 diode. First, I'll solder it between the positive pins of the green and yellow LEDs. Then I'll add another diode between the yellow and the first red LED. Finally, I'll place one more diode between the 2 red LEDs. These diodes help in dividing the voltage levels so that the LEDs turn on one by one as the battery voltage increases. Now I'll trim the copper wire and the extra pin of the diode to make them short and neat. Then I'll apply a final touch of solder for a strong connection. For power connections, I'll solder a black wire to the copper wire, which will act as the negative terminal, and a red wire to the diode pin, which will act as the positive terminal. And that's it. Our battery level indicator circuit is ready. Now let's put it to the test. I'll connect it with a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery. Watch closely. As I connect the wires, you'll see how the LEDs light up one by one, depending on the charge level of the battery. This project is not only fun, but very practical. You can use it for checking your rechargeable batteries, integrating it into DIY power banks, or even adding it to small electronic circuits where battery monitoring is important. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit the like button and tell me in the comments what project I should make next. Your support really keeps me motivated to share more ideas with you.